What's up, guys? Another YouTube video here. Today we're gonna be changing the gear oil inside our manual transmission. I looked at the manuals, pretty simple enough, just fucking screws and just changing out the oil. You know, it's simple fluid change. And this is what I got today. This is the 75W-90. I'll show you in the manual that this is okay to be used because that's what the specification says. And the API-GL-5 to the 5 or the 4, and this one's a 5. And let me show you the manual, see what it says. Alright guys, I have the manual open, and that's the oil grade. That's the two things you can use. And yeah, I got 2 liters. This takes 1.7 liters. And I'll show you how to do it right now. Anyways, but yeah guys, if you're a Toyota geek, get yourself one of these manuals. They're really helpful on little small things that you don't know about. And what's it called? Yeah, I got this manual when I had the 85 coupe, but now I got an 86 hatchback with 4AG swapped stuff. It really helps a lot. This helped me with the swap as well. I also have the electric diagram too, and you know, you could get whatever year. Some things are different, but they're all the same. Just little small things, little changes that they did over the years. All right, let's get to it. All right guys, I bought this thing. I seen some people use it on their when they're changing gear oil from their transmission. So yeah, let's open this. Alright guys, we have it out of the box. We're gonna put this aside and use it when we're gonna do the oil change on the transmission. And the little small stuff, I don't think we're gonna need them. I think we just need this this transfer pump. But yeah, let's drain the oil, the gear oil from the transmission. Alright guys, we are under the car. The 2 things you want to look at on your transmission is the drain port. And this is where you're gonna basically the screw that comes off, where you're gonna add the gear oil. And I'm gonna take off this one first, and then I'll drain the oil. Fuck. That is stripped. Alright guys, I found the right socket, but this one's a 24. I'm gonna see if it doesn't fucking slip. Ah, you bastard. Oh wait, I have an idea. Guys, I'm gonna use this advice from this magazine. I thought it was pretty cool. I have this saved in my files. You can get these in these old forums, but this is the whole magazine is about a full GTS swap on an SR5, which is pretty helpful if you're gonna do it too, like me. But yeah, haha, problem solved. I'm just gonna pour the oil through here. I seen it done before. Like I told you, the one of the magazines back in the day, before I even knew this car too. Like a long ass old magazine that most people probably know. And it tells you there that he kind of cheats his way out and just pours the gear oil through here. And yeah. We're back in the game. I got my 17th socket to drain the drain plug. And the sun still
you are
in my
my
face.
sunshine.
Anyways, let's do it. Every time. Oh shit. I did it. Oh. I'm tying this thing up. Yep. Fuck. Yeah, for these you gotta cut them. Alright guys, I'm done. All that will go all that will just sink to the bottom. So, like most of it went, all of it went in actually. And I guess this is gonna be my method from now on, because I'm never gonna get to take off that rounded out bolt. Like, I can't believe the last person did that. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Some people say it's dumb to put the oil through there, or I've seen a lot of people do it. And I don't know, man. You gotta do what you gotta do, and thank God that's one thing that you could be able to do. Cause I almost forgot about it, but yeah. See you guys in the next video.